everyone, it's Eunice and welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. Dun, 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 dun. Hey! So nagliligpit lang ako ng flat iron ko because yung sister ko nagpa-plancha ng buhok kaninang umaga. Yes, I still have my flat iron kasi ito yung ginagamit ko sa kanya. Anyway, naka-shorts ako Baka akala niyo wala akong shorts. Ka-sweater ako ngayon kasi medyo chilly sa labas. But, let's start our day, of course, with our advent calendar. Parang sobrang liwanag doon. Okay, day 8. Kunti na lang. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8. Medyo maliit. Uy! Ano kaya to? Ito na naman, hindi ko na naman siya makuha. Radiant Whip Mask. Anyway, di pala ako nag-charge ng battery ng camera ko. So, low-bat siya. So, let's open this. It's a mask, so we can use it later tonight. Wala masyadong amoy. Hindi amoy marshmallow. Grabe, natuklap ko yung lips ko kanina kasi sobrang dry. Sobrang dry kasi nga malamig na ngayon. So, maglagay tayo ng lip balm. I have this one. This is from YSL. Wow! Aminin ko, binili ko lang to for the packaging kasi ang ganda ng packaging niya, diba? Pero okay naman siya. It's similar to the Dior Lip Glow, which I really love. Pero ayun nga, you can definitely get this from like a drugstore product. Pero ang ganda ng packaging. Sarap gamitin. Yan. Anyway, it's lunchtime. 12 o'clock na and I've been working all morning as usual. I'm thinking of what to eat. Kasi gusto ko ng something easy but... hindi ko pa pala nakakwento sa inyo. Okay, so story time. Or i-defrost ko na kaya? Wait, i-defrost ko muna yung niluto ko habang nagsa-story time ako. So, dinefrost ko na yung barramundi. Magfe-fish lang ako, tsaka thinking of eating quinoa. Actually, may cauliflower rice din ako, pero parang mas filling yung quinoa, so magluto na lang ako. So, I'm trying to be healthy again. This is like my 3rd or 4th attempt this year. I don't know what it is, but initially when the lockdown started, it wasn't that bad. I mean, I would have my weeks na sobrang bloated ako and hindi magkasya yung damit ko. Then, after a week or so. But recently, hindi ko napansin kasi nga this year, parang I'm trying to give myself a break na I'm not super conscious about my physical appearance. So, nung tinitignan ko naman yung sarili ko, sabi ko, parang okay lang naman. I don't feel like I need to lose weight or anything. But I realized, hindi na nagkakasya yung mga iba kong damit. Like, 80% of my clothes, hindi na siya nagkakasya. Lagi ako nakamaluwag na damit. And sobrang nasad ako doon kasi nga, parang this year, I was like, I actually look okay. You know, I've learned to accept my body type and all that. Pero hindi magkasya yung clothes ko. I weighed myself and 140 pounds na ako and ang taas ng body fat ko. Tapos recently din, lagi ako nahihilo or sumasakit yung ulo ko, which rarely happens for me. So I decided na, sige, let's go back and try to be healthier again. Just so that maayos ko yung eating habits ko. Because I've been binge eating most of the time. A lot of the times, at midnight, not midnight, kasi hindi naman ako gising till midnight. Like, after dinner, magsasnack pa ako ganyan, or in between meals. Tapos yung sinasnack ko, hindi healthy at all. Usually, junk food, ganyan. So, feeling ko yun yung dahilan. And, ayun nga, kasi nga, sobrang nahihilo na ako. Like, one time, rarely talaga sumasakit or nahihilo yung ulo ko or nahihilo ko. But, ayun nga, nung nangyari yan, sabi ko, okay, something has to change. So, I did intermittent fasting earlier this year for a month. And it worked naman. After that, sobrang okay na nung eating habits ko. Hindi na ako nagbe-binge eat. Hindi ako masyado nagsisnack ng junk food, ganyan. Tapos, since Thanksgiving, since Halloween. Nung kinakain ko yung mga na-trick or treat ng sister ko, ayun, bumalik na naman sa dati. So, ayun, ngayon, 140 pounds na ako. So, I decided mag-intermittent fasting again. I'll probably do it for a month or more. Just to get back on a healthier eating habit kasi nga, nung ginawa ko yon napansin ko na mas less yung pag-snack ko or yung craving ko to snack. So, with that, ang gagawin ko din na different ngayon is at least whenever I am eating meals, mas healthier siya. Not like diet food na sobrang konti, but more of instead of red meat, I'll eat fish if available and lessen my intake of white rice kasi feeling ko yun talaga nakaka-bloat sa akin and feeling ko nakakataas siya ng sugar. I'm not sure. Wala naman diagnose sa akin na mataas yung sugar ko or anything, pero napapansin ko there are times na yung lagi akong nag-wiwiwi at the middle of the night, ganon. So sabi ko, baka kailangan ko bawasan and all that. So ayun, welcome to another journey of trying to be healthier. I know, may mga ibang vlogs ako na nakita nyo na I've been trying talaga, pero I always fall off at like 2 weeks or 3 weeks after, tapos babalik ako sa dati kong eating habit. So ayun. Ayun lang naman. So, this morning, nag-coffee lang ako and nandun siya sa room kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Against the light. Ganto. So, paganto ko bababa para ano. Anyway, I'll make breakfast. I'll make lunch muna. Lulutuan ko din si daddy kasi I think hungry siya. So, iniisip ko anong luto nung fish. Anyhow, I'll make lunch muna tapos I'll talk to you guys later. Sisimulan ko na yata yung startup kasi natapos ko na yung Record of Youth. So, hindi na ako napupuyat ulit. Pero, simulan na namin ng boyfriend ko yung startup. Tapos, pag natapos namin yung reply, tapos di pa kami tapos sa startup, papanoodin na namin siya together. Kasi sabi ko, parang di namin masa-start yung startup right away kasi ang tagal namin manood ng reply. Although, napanood ko na yung reply 1988, inuulit ko lang with him kasi gusto niya panoorin. So, yeah. Anyway, magluto muna ako kasi gutom na talaga. Hey guys, so it's 5:30 na. Kakatapos lang ng last meeting ko. Anyhow, nag-crave ako ng Frankie's na, ano ba yung favorite ko doon? Yung garlic parmesan na wings. Sakto may wings kami sa baba. Tapos sabi ko, wala pa akong ginagawa for my vlog. So, mag-cook na lang tayo. So, it's a cooking with Eunice vlogmas. So, let's go. Kadiri yung bangs ko. Parang oily. Ano bang ginawa ko sa hair ko today? Hindi ko kasi siya din dryer eh. Ayan yung nangyayari kapag hindi ako nagbo-blow dry ng bangs. Hi! Do you miss me? Do you miss me? What are you doing? Hey, shower first! You from school, shower first! Ayo! Pia! COVID! Yuhu! Pia, stop! I have my camera! Stop! No! Pia, stop! Shower muna. Shower first. Why are you laying down? I gotta disinfect the couch. Shower muna. Ano ba? Kailangan mo i-disinfect yung couch.
Alin?
Yung couch.
Bakit?
Dahil kasi Pia, hindi pa naliligo eh. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you're gonna need chicken. Okay, so chicken. What I like to do is mix it in like a big mixing bowl. Okay, so just so you know, while I'm preparing the chicken and marinating it, I put lang a frying pan na, tapos I put on the heat para uminit na yung pan and yung oil. Now we need to marinate the chicken. So, hindi ko na maalala kung sang recipe ko to nakuha. Basta, sinend ko siya sa isang friend ko, tapos kinreenshot ko siya. But anyhow, first we're gonna need half a teaspoon of cumin. So, half a teaspoon of cumin. And then, half a teaspoon of oregano. And then, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. That's 1. Yan. And then, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Yeah. And then you just mix that all together. Make sure you cover everything. And then, for the batter, we're gonna need 2 eggs. What? And then, actually, yung recipe calls for potato starch, pero I just use regular cornstarch. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And then, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Kakalat ako. And then, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then, what you'll do is you'll just mix this all together. So, you're just gonna keep on mixing it until mag-form siya na parang batter. I mean, yung flour and all that. Just make sure na ma-coat mo yung lahat ng sides ng wing. So, when we fry this, we're gonna double fry it. Yung first 7 minutes is with low heat. Tapos, para maluto yung loob. And then, not low heat, low to medium. Tapos, kapag the next 5 minutes on each side. Ang gagawin mo na is high heat para maging crispy yung labas. So, the reason why we double fry is to make sure na luto yung loob niya and hindi siya crispy lang yung labas, tas sunog, tapos yung loob is hilaw pa. So, I'm gonna set this aside and wait until I think mainit na yung mantika. So, I'm gonna put this there na, tapos I'll clean up and then we can start frying. Dad, cha-cha muna tayo. Dali na! Oh, inhale, inhale. Tago mo lang konti yung chan mo. Yan. Oh, kembot mo, kembot. Yan! Taray! Okay, so now that we fried the chicken, medyo na-overcook ko yung iba. Can you hear that? Now, we need... Actually, hindi ko na siya mini-measure. So, dapat may garlic tapos salt. But I got lang garlic salt. So, just drizzle a little bit of that. And then, some basil. And then, dapat 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. If meron kayong fresh Parmesan cheese, the better. Pero, ito lang yung meron ako ngayon eh. And then, drizzle it with olive oil. Oops. So, around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then, of course, you gotta mix it. Wait. Here. Make sure that everything is evenly coated with the olive oil, basil, garlic, and Parmesan mixture. So, parang kulang pa yung Parmesan. So, this is not totally a copycat of the Frankie's version, pero it satisfies the craving and andun na din naman yung lasa. Tapos, you have to serve it immediately para crunchy pa rin siya. Ayun na, can you hear it? Okay, so here is the finished product. Dinagdagan ko siya ng onti pang Parmesan cheese. And now it's time for us to eat dinner. And now it's time for us to eat dinner. So, kakain muna ako with my family. And I'll see you guys later as I'll talk to you guys later while I'm doing like my nighttime skincare routine. That's Grey's Anatomy in the background. Hey everyone, so I'm back in my room. I'm gonna start I'm gonna wash my face lang. So I'm gonna end my vlog here na because I need to wash my face tapos I need to start editing this vlog so I can get it up for you guys in time. Sabog na naman. Okay, so starting off lang with my mascara remover. I tried this new eyeliner trick, yung Batwing. Hindi pa siya perfect. Ito nga natanggal na kasi kanina naluha yung mata ko. Pero okay naman siya. Weird lang kapag like hindi nakadilat, like naka-medge close yung eyes mo. Weird siya tignan. Pero pag naka-open, sakto lang siya. It's the perfect eyeliner daw for hooded eyes. Pero medyo kakaiba yung itsura pag slightly naka-close. But anyway, like I said, I'll be ending my vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and let me know if you try my copycat garlic parmesan wings recipe. So yeah, anyway, that is it for today's video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I hope that you guys stick around. I'll see you next time. Bye!